Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about how to create an Azure Data Factory. Okay, so if you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and also like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I will provide complete training of Azure Data Factory from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. So if you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easily survive in the real-time environment. Okay. So in this class, we are going to learn about how to create Azure Data Factory step by step. And also we are going to discuss about development area in Azure Data Factory. Okay. Let's go to the Azure portal. What is the URL? portal.azure.com. If anybody watching first time my video, please go and check class 1. Okay, see here we have some credits, right? It's a free subscription we have. Okay, so as of now what we created one resource group and a storage account. See all, just click on see all. Yeah, nothing else, only these two we have. Come to the home, see here. So if you want to create a Azure Data Factory, you can directly click here, or else you can directly create from the marketplace as well. See here, create a resource. Here you can search Data Factory. See here, from the marketplace, you can select and create anything, that would be fine. Or else, if you come to the home, here directly you can click Data Factories. So as of now, we don't have any data factories to display. Okay, and create data factory. I am using free subscription, right? Resource group, already we created one resource group, right? In previous class, you can select here resource group Jabi with my name and instance details. So I want to create Azure Data Factory ADF Jabi with my name. So it is available. See here, it is in green color. No need to bother about. Yeah. So this red color all are mandatory fields. Already it is taken. Default settings. I don't want to change anything. If you want to change, you can change region where you want to store the information and all. Okay. Fine. Here directly you can click review and create, or else if you want to go for Git configuration, you can click here. Next. See here, we have to complete all the steps: basics, Git configuration, networking, advanced, tags and review and create. And configure Git later. Yes, I don't want to configure right now. Enable managed virtual network on the default auto resolve integration runtime. If you want, you can select this. And advanced, if you want to enable, you can enable. Next, tags. You want to add any tags for the search. So ADF value 1. Yeah, this is fine. And review and create. See, validation is passed. Now we can create the Azure Data Factory. Just final stage. See here, initializing the deployment. Submitting the deployment template for the resource group. Okay, it will be come under resource group. See here, deployment in progress. So we selected our resource group, right? Resource group Jabi. You can click here, go to resource group. That would be fine. Where it is? This is my resource group. Under resource group, we can able to see. This is my storage account. So go to home. In the home, we can able to see all data factories. See here, ADF Jabi. just now it is created, right? See, if you want to run the data factory, you can click here. So this is the data factory. See here, Azure Data Factory. So if you want to launch Azure Data Factory, you have to click on the Launch Studio. Okay. See here, also here, monitoring also is there. Pipeline runs, activity runs, triggers runs. Don't worry, we are going to discuss all those things. Integration runtime, CPU. Okay, integration runtime, memory. How much used and all, we can see the details here. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to launch our studio. See here, Azure Data Factory is loading. Azure Data Factory. See, basically this Azure Data Factory we can open in direct two ways actually. So directly you can open adf.azure.com, okay, or else what we have to do, we have to come to portal.azure.com. There we have to click on our Azure Data Factory Launch Studio. Anything that would be fine. You can see here adf.azure.com. See, by already it is open, right? See here. It will ask Azure, where is the data factory? See here, this is my data factory. Continue, you can click on continue. See, automatically it is taken. So if any new data factory, if any more data factories, you can able to find here also. You can click here. Anything that would be fine. Okay. So this is the our development area actually. This is our Azure Data Factory development area. Pipelines and change data capture and data sets, data flows and Power Query as well. Factory resources we can say. Okay. And this is our home button. This is our author button. This is our monitor button. This is our manage and learning center. Okay. So inside data factory we can able to create the pipelines. Okay. So this is nothing but Azure Data Factory. Don't need to do anything. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If anybody watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay. If anybody requires special training, you can also contact to my email ID. Also we can call to my mobile number, my WhatsApp number also same. Thank you for watching my video.